The story behind the Cartier Crash watch is both intriguing and unique. Legend has it that the design inspiration for the Crash watch originated in 1967 when a Cartier client brought in a damaged Baignoire bathtub-shaped watch to the Cartier London boutique after a car accident. The distorted and melted appearance of the damaged watch captured the attention of Cartier's designers. This incident sparked creativity, leading to the development of the avant-garde and unconventional design of the Cartier Crash watch. The watch's asymmetrical and distorted shape became a distinctive and iconic feature, representing a blend of art and horology. The Cartier Crash has since become a symbol of artistic expression within the realm of luxury timepieces, paying homage to its unusual and fascinating origin.
The Persistence of Memory, painted in 1931, is arguably Dali's most famous painting. It challenges our notions about time.
Take a look at the persistence of memory. Instantly it becomes clear that the Crash has its design inspiration deep-rooted in the art. Both share a common theme of fluidity and the malleability of time, showcasing a profound influence of Dali's artistic concepts on the unique design of the Cartier Crash timepiece.